challenge. Take you, Sabina Jade Walker, to be my wedded wife.
I, Sabina Jade Walker.
I, Sabina Jade Walker.
Take you, Ryan Collins.
Take you, Ryan Collins.
To be my wedded husband.
To be my wedded husband.
Ryan, Sabina loves your confidence, your motivation, and the way that you light up any room that you're in. You make her feel safe and protected, and you're always kind, never failing to put Sabina and your boys first. Sabina, Ryan says that your kindness and your loyalty are just some of your very best qualities. You always care for others, and you're strong and confident when it really matters. Because of you, Ryan's felt his worries slip away, and he is so excited for your future. It's clear to us all that you both understand each other and that you are quite simply best friends who value the same things and have the same goals for your futures together. You've learned how to share your lives and how to make sure you never fall out for long. You've also learned how to be a loving, happy family, and after waiting 3 years for today, I know how much you're looking forward to your next chapter together, and that starts right now.
When Ryan introduced me to Sabs, she was the one for him. They're both made of strong stuff, and together they're even stronger.
To my beautiful daughter, Sabina is such a beautiful person. You are so loving and kind, and the most perfect mother to Teddy and Bobby. But most of all, Sabina, I think that you look very, very happy and very much in love. And looking at you today, I have never been so proud.
Sabina is an insanely natural mum and does it all in her stride. Teddy and Bobby both idolise her, and she brings complete calmness to our crazy 3-boy family. I idolise her for that too. She's gorgeous in every way, always wanting to give people to make them happy, always puts her family and friends first, and nothing can be achieved without yourself. Sabina is amazing with little Rye, not so little, and her big sister to Ava. They just shop on every occasion and are a bank manager's nightmare. So, accidentally bumping into you on that rainy day in Chester, I couldn't have imagined we've gotten where we are. I consider myself the luckiest man to be married to such a drop-dead gorgeous girl who definitely would be a supermodel if she was 3 inches taller. On that, and before she changes her mind, I'd like to raise a toast to my queen, Sabina.